Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian egg sauce or egg stew. I'm going to enjoy this egg sauce with boiled yam. Continue watching to find out how I make this. I'll be enjoying the egg sauce with boiled yam, so I will cut and peel the yam. You can cut the yam into any desired shape that you like. The next step is to wash the yam and allow to drain out the excess water. Then after that, I'll add the yam into a pot. I'll be using boiled water to fasten the cooking process. You can use cold water depending on what you want. Then I'll cover the pot and allow to cook until tender. Boiling, I'll be cutting the scotch bonnet, onion and tomatoes that I'll be using. You can blend them depending on what you like. When I'm done slicing the tomatoes and onion, I will separate the onion and scotch bonnet. To a preheated pan, I'll be adding some oil. I will add the sliced onion and scotch bonnet into the oil and stir to fry for about 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes of frying, I'll add the sliced tomatoes, add salt, and stir and allow to continue frying. Add smoked paprika powder. This is optional. Together and allow to fry to reduce the liquid from the tomatoes. While the tomato is still frying, I'll quickly slice the spring onion and the minced bell peppers. Notice that the liquid in the tomatoes has dried up. I'll be adding the sliced spring onion and minced bell peppers because I don't want to fry them for long. Then I'll stir everything together. Taste for salt so that you know the quantity or the amount of seasoning that you'll be adding. So I'll be adding half of the stock cube. I will add ginger powder. Feel free to use any other seasoning like white pepper or black pepper. Then I will stir everything together. Then I will gently pour the egg mixture on the tomato sauce. Then I'm going to allow it to form. You don't need to stir it now. At this stage, make sure that you are cooking on a low heat. I will cover the pan and allow it to cook for like 3 minutes. I will open the pan. I'll be adding canned fish. This is optional. Then I will stir so that the egg will cook properly. Stirring it to make sure that the eggs are well cooked. You can leave it and allow it to simmer for like 2 minutes. Finally, the egg sauce is ready. Then I will turn off the heat. You can enjoy this egg sauce with white yam, boiled potato, plantain. I will check the yam. When I notice that the yam is soft enough, I will drain out the water, then set aside. I hope that this video is helpful and you can see how easy it is to make your egg sauce or egg stew. Egg sauce or egg stew tastes so delicious. You can enjoy it with your boiled yam, boiled potato, plantain, fried yam or white rice. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.